Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome to LaShenny21Nails. This week, our host was Handy Helper, and these are the manicures that were prepared. At the end, I'll have individual photos, and in the description box, you can find links to everybody's video. Let's get started. As a base, I'm wearing this polish from Jessica called Naked Contours. I'll use my black BeautyBigBang stamping polish, which is number 2, my Bundle Monster stamping polish, Bam White, and my red Sally Hansen called Let's Jam. The plate I'll be using is my EJIUBAS EJB-08. I stamped the same design on all my nails. To finish off, I apply my Wet n Wild matte top coat. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!